So it's time to start the wrap. We're starting from the back, going forwards. The whole car's been stripped. Well, stripped, there's no handles. Everything's been cleaned. So we're gonna start from this pillar, work our way back, and we'll show you how we do it. So to not cut on the car, we use, it's called 3M knifeless tape. You put it on the car and at the end you pull it and it just cuts for you, so you don't have to run your knife along the car. So like edges like here is perfect, and then it doesn't leave any scratches on the car. So not a lot of companies will even go behind the wing to wrap a car and that deep. We actually do this just so the white's not visible through the wing. In a lot of them you can see a little bit of white and it doesn't look good, especially if you're getting this colour done. You don't want white visible on the car. People always wonder why wrapping is so expensive, but it's time consuming. So there's a lot of strip in the car. As you see, we had to take off all of this just to take the rear lights out of this Mercedes. So it's a lot of work that goes into it, but the finish is worth it. There's people that do it on the car without taking the lights out or anything, but the finish is not as nice. So we check after we put the line down if it's visible once you close the doors, just to make sure that no white is visible from the outside when we put the wrap down. So you can see it hides it really well, and that's where the wrap will end. People sometimes do get these done, however it's like 1% of people. Don't know if I've mentioned it, but this is the wrap we're using. It is satin black. It's got a nice finish to it, and this one actually has a bit more gloss to it than many of the other satins that we use, but it will look really nice.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the black. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Look nice, and then just all the cutting tucking behind.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the set never leaves. She's so bad that the can't fit the bag. The gas in the back of the set never leaves. She's so bad that the can't fit the bag. The gas in the back of the set never leaves. She's so bad that the can't.
We finished the quarter panel with the pillar, but as you can see there's no white peeping through. It looks starting to look really nice. We'll finish the rest of the car and then beautifully finished, so no whites coming through here as well, so it's starting to look nice. Sometimes we encounter problems like the boot gets accidentally closed and now we have to plug everything up from the inside of the car, so we're waiting for it to be done because we can't wrap around the corners. So today what we've managed to get done is one door that still needs to be finished and 2 quarter panels, which is not bad at all. And tomorrow we'll get all the doors done and the rear bumper.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
So we have finished most of the back. It's starting to take shape. He wants a gloss black roof, so a little bit different than satin. Yeah, this is what it looks like for now. Put the lights in and finish it off. It's going to be de-chromed as well, but it's starting to look nice. I actually like this this colour on the A220. Looks pretty good. I've just finished the Mercedes A220 in satin black, and this colour is it honestly looks so good on this car. It just suits it. So just look at it, it looks beautiful. It honestly brings out so much greater presence on this car. The only thing I'd do if it was mine, I'd get the wheels blacked out, but honestly fully blacked out, it looks beautiful. The only thing that I didn't do on this car is the handle, because when they bought me the car, I'm missing the little plastic that goes round, but that can be put on at a later date. And the only other thing is meant to have a aero, what's it called, the roof spoiler. However, the fitment was just not there, but it looks incredible. I really like this one. It really looks the part.
Just level up.